Good morning, all the students of 6th standard. We are learning the 6th lesson of our history, Janapadas and Mahajanpadas. This lesson we are learning, page number 27 is going on. In a previous video, we have studied about the Janapadas, what is meant by Janapadas, and also along with that, we have studied about the Mahajanpadas. In the Mahajanpadas, two Mahajanpadas informations we have studied, Kosla and Vatsa. These are the two Mahajanpadas informations we have studied in our previous video. Now today we will discuss or learn more about Avanti and Magadha Mahajanpadas. So first of all we shall study about the Avanti. The ancient kingdom of Avanti was located in the Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh. Ancient kingdom of Avanti. Avanti, this kingdom, it is into the Malwa region of the Madhya Pradesh. There, so it was located into the Malwa region of the Madhya Pradesh. Present time, Madhya Pradesh means Bhopal is also one city from the Madhya Pradesh. Ujjain was its capital, and Avanti's, this was the Magadha's empire, that means Mahajanpadas, and Ujjaini was a capital city, or Ujjain was its capital. Ujjain was the capital of Avanti kingdom, Avanti Mahajanpadas. The city was an important trade center. Ujjaini or Ujjain, Mahakal temple is also there, Ujjain there. So Ujjain, this city was an important trading center at that time. Into the when there was a Avanti kingdom is there, empire is there at that time. Ujjaini was the capital and it was important trading center. The king of Avanti, Pradyot, was a contemporary of Gautam Buddha. The king of Avanti empire, the king of Avanti kingdom, Pradyot, he was the king of Avanti, and the king he was a contemporary of Gautam Buddha. Pradyot, he was the king of Avanti empire and he was a contemporary of Gautam Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir. Important one it is that Pradyot, he was the king and he was a contemporary. Means when there was Gautam Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir, when they lived in our India, at that time Pradyot, he was ruling the Avanti kingdom. He was looking after the Avanti kingdom. So at the time of Gautam Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir, Pradyot from the Avanti, they look after their kingdom there. From Vatsas, Udayana, he was also contemporary of Gautam Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir. And from the Koslas, Prasannajit was also contemporary of Gautam Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir. So from the Koslas, Mahajanpada, Prasannajit. From the Vatsas, Udayana. And from the Avanti, Pradyot. All they were the contemporary of Gautam Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir. During the region of King Nandivardhan, the state of Avanti was merged into the Magadha empire. When Nandivardhan, he became the king of Avanti empire, at that time, during the time of Nandivardhan, Avanti empire or Avanti kingdom was merged into the Magadha empire. It was mixed into the Magadha empire. Means they lose their concentrations. They lose the power from their kingdom, that and it was transferred. It was mingled into the Magadha empire, or Magadha captured the Avanti. So we have seen Magadhas, they captured the Avanti region. Magadha, they captured the Kosla regions also, Kosla empire. The next one, Mahajanpadas, Magadha. The ancient Mahajanpadas of the Magadha was spread through the regions of the Gaya, Patna in Bihar and some regions of the Bengal. So this Magadha empire, it was spread from the Patna to the Bengal. In these regions, Gaya, it is one city. From Bihar, Patna, it is there. And from there to the Bengal, West Bengals. Magadha Empire spread there. The capital of Magadha was Rajgriha or Rajgir. It was the capital city of the Magadha Empire. Rajgriha or Rajgir, it was the capital city of the Magadha Empire or the Magadha kingdom there. King Bimbisara's palace was built by the architecture Mahagovind. King Bimbisara, he was one of the most important king of Magadha Empire, and his palace where he lived, that palace was built by the architecture Mahagovind. He built the palace of King Bimbisara. Bimbisara, he was the king of the Magadha Empire, and his palace where he lived, that palace was built by the architecture Mahagovind. He was the architecture and he built his palace. Jivaka, the famous physician, was at the court of Bimbisara. Jivaka, he was the most famous physician. In present time also he was famous because of his treatment, Ayurvedic treatment. So this famous physicians, Jivaka, was in the court of the Bimbisara. It was discussed about, or it was they speak about the Jivaka, that he was this much famous and he was this much excellent in medicine that he knew each and every plant and the part of the plant for what purpose we use that plant or the part of that plant. That much he was expert there. His teacher, they told him when he completed his education, and they sent him in the forest for the more than 2 weeks he was in the forest, and they told him that to find out or to bring any plant or the part of the plant that does not have for the medicinal use. So he searched into the forest nearly more than 2 weeks he was in the forest. Then also he did not get any kind of plant or any kind of part of the plants that does not have the medical use. That much he was famous, and he was in the court of the Bimbisara in the Magadha Empire. Bimbisara had become a follower of Gautam Buddha, and this king Bimbisara, he became the follower of the Gautam Buddha. Means they embraced toward the Buddhist religions, they embraced toward the Buddhist philosophy there, Gautam Buddha's philosophy there. So in this way we have studied about the Mahajanpadas, Kosala, Vatsa, Avanti and Magadhas. These are the some of the Mahajanpadas we have studied. For you, one work is there, one homework. You have to write the information about all these 4 Mahajanpadas, Kosala, Vatsa, Avanti and Magadhas, their name of Mahajanpadas, and along with that famous king of these Mahajanpadas, and who were the kings, those who were from these Mahajanpadas, they were the contemporary of Gautam Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavirs. Their name we have to write, and along with that the capital city of these Mahajanpadas. Mahajanpada, name of the Mahajanpada, their region, in which region it is there, the capital city of their Mahajanpadas, and famous king, and which kings were the contemporary of Gautam Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir. Including, if you overall if you see that, the whole this chart only you have to write as it is. This is your homework. So when you will come tomorrow, then tomorrow we will come with the last points. So okay, bye.